almost done.
Yes, just these two things. Can I help?
Look, the plateau is right ahead.
Wow! It's beautiful.
Whew, that's heavy.
Almost there, honey. Hello. I'm almost done sweeping. Then we can go outside.
Okay, I'll wait by the door. Daddy!
Good morning, little one.
Ho-ho! Oh, hey there! Come here, little ones. Woo. Hello, sweethearts. I've missed you.
You are so soft.
No, sir! Moo.
You said moo.
The milk is almost ready, darling.
It smells so nice, Mother.
Look at that go! It's working, Mama.
Look at what Papa got you. It's your favorite.
Yum, thank you.
This is the best dinner ever.